Welcome everyone to another Optimus Wilbur reviews, and there's a new t-shirt on sale. Hi everyone, welcome back to Optimus Wilbur reviews right here on YouTube. My name is Will, and today we're looking at Dead End from Transformers Prime. Managed to get this one. I'm a big fan of the likes of the Transformer Prime toy line. I have actually really got a lot. I know we've done Optimus Prime and we've done a few of him. I've still got a couple sealed, but I do have a lot over there. But this one I managed to get sealed, and I really likes the looks of them. I think the Transformers Prime toy line kind of reminded me a bit of the G1 with all the big fancy colours and stuff. And I have one looking like Dead End. I thought it was fantastic. It really does look like a proper Decepticon. And I think we should get him open and see what he's like. And here he is. Here is Dead End with his sword nicely put in the front. So he's ready to stab some little bots when he's driving along. I really like the colour of this Transformer. I love the matte black coming down the side, and the camera's picking it up well with the silky orange on top with the yellow. Stands out, and that's what I love. Swords can easily just slip in at the side. We'll just take them off just now. And like I said at the start of the video, I really am a massive fan of the Transformer Prime series, and especially Beast Hunters. I have got quite a lot are still sealed, and I'd love to show them off on this channel. Maybe one day, if we get the 100 subs, we're 10 away, or even the 500, which I'm aiming for next year. We've got like so the Gorgon Dragatron, Red Predator King from Transformers Go. We've got that one ready, and I've still got quite a lot up the back here. Plus, the limited edition black first edition Optimus Prime still sealed. Maybe one day we get those subs and I'll do it. Bit of shameless self-promotion. But vehicle mode, he is really good. I think it's just my table, it's a little bit wonky, but he can move. He's perfect. Transforming is simple as well. Come to the middle, just pop up at the side here and there. It means we can lift out the arms like so, and basically you could just pull them away. That makes things easier there. Now that will bring that up and expose the legs, so you just split the legs and come to this part, and you've got to twist these round, and the reason is that will move up, push down the foot, and that will turn around like that. So then you're going to have the leg like this, and just bring it round. Okay, so same again, twist this round, get the right way going, push that up, bring down the leg, twist that round, and there you go. That's him ready for standing. Upper body, quite simple for this class. Just move the arms in. Come here, you can just twist the hand out, and he wants to move. It's actually quite stiff, this arm. But we'll make him move. There we go, we've got him moving. So it's just a case of twisting it round and putting it back down. Same again, come here, just pulling the glass a little fraction, do that, twist it round, pop it back in, and expose the hand. Come to the middle, and all we're doing is putting up the head. Head's going to be exposed in a second, and his backpack, just basically bring that all down. So it's looking like this. With that, you're bringing the legs in, just make sure everything's all tidy, and you're just flipping this in, and because you've pushed this part up, that should connect in there. And there we have Dead End. Just getting everything tidy. And there you have them. Nice transformer, nice quick transformation. Let's get the swords on. So he's finished as well. There's one. Just taking it off shot just now. Just to put the swords in so they don't fall out. And there you go. Quick transformation. And one of the franchises I love. Like I said, I really do enjoy the Transformer Prime toy line. I think it was fantastic. Very simple for young collectors to pick up and transform. To give you an idea of the size, we will bring in, of course, he's got to be in every single one, but let's bring in the Transformer Prime version. Let's bring in Transformers Prime Megatron. Let's move that camera up. And he just looks fantastic next to him. Absolutely fantastic Transformer. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you everyone for tuning into the video today. Remember, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and that notification bell so you know that a new Optimus Wilbur review goes live. Also, be sure to check me out on Facebook, Optimus Wilbur Reviews, Twitter, Rodimus8, and Twitch at Optimus Wilbur 85. Just hit that in the search engine at the top. Also, if you wish to become a Patreon or buy from the merch store, look in the description box below. Lastly, I'd like to thank the Cybertronic Spree for allowing me to use their music. Cybertronic Warrior is the theme for the channel. Please check them out on YouTube, Twitter and Facebook and give them the support they deserve. This band is fantastic and do amazing covers, so please send your support to them. And remember, Transformer fans, till all are one.